Hello guys, so today we are gonna create an art journal page. So I am using these watercolors which are already in a liquid form, and it's a very cheap one brand, so I am trying to see if I like it, and for the moment I like it. I am playing first of all with a layer of water so the watercolor can run easily on the page, and I am just playing around with the water and the watercolor, just filling in the page. As you can see, I have already my focal point that I made with a regular pencil, and for the moment I'm integrating a little the focal point. Then I will work on the focal point, and then I will work again on the background so I can easily integrate the focal point onto the background. And I can say that I like these watercolors. They are not super pigmented, but also I am playing with a lot of water, so I think it's not bad for backgrounds. And so here we have the first layer, and now I am gonna use a stencil of Rye missing gum and the jelly plate, because in that way I am sure that the impression is correct. And as you can see, I have like a little mistake on it, but it's super easy to take it away. And now we are gonna do the print in different parts of the page, and using again the same stencil but the second circle that we have. And now I am using the tissue paper of Dinawa clay, so I just cut it some pieces. And now I will be using acrylic paint in a spray, and this is super unpredictable, which I like. It's a little scary, but I like it. And now, as you can see, as the tissue paper has been covered by the paint, and it creates like a really textural effect that I like. But I am trying to come back in the tissue paper, so I am gluing it down a little more and passing again with the acrylic paint, just playing so the tissue paper is visible, and sometimes on top and sometimes behind the acrylic paint. And now I am doing my journaling that I normally do on the secondary page and with a regular pencil, because I don't want to be super visible. And I will be using also a tissue paper of Dinawa clay that has these like butterflies that I love. So I have cut it down, some of them, some splashes. I'm just working on the layers, having fun and seeing what I need. And now I am doing some mark making with the watercolor pencil, and I have first put some water on it. Now I'm just drawing like a line, nothing special, just intuitive marks, playing around with the background. Now I have painted my focal point with the watercolors and the water-soluble pencil, and now I'm integrating the focal point by applying the same watercolor around it. And I must say that I like the watercolor. so I will be using it for sure in the future. I have more colors, so I will try all of them and see if I like them. And I am also introducing the color inside the focal point to integrate it more. And giving some final touches to the focal point. Now I am gluing down the butterflies around the page, playing a little with the composition and integrating also the focal point. And that's it. We almost finished. The only thing that I am missing is the sentiment, which I will be using a newspaper for that. A magazine, sorry. So here it is. And that's it for this week. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media. And see you next time, guys. Bye.